Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is February 18th, 2016, and today is Thursday morning. So looking at the economic calendar, a few things on the radar today, including 3:30 South African time. That's 3:30 p.m. South African time. We have a weekly unemployment number and also a Philly Fed manufacturing number, and that's happening at the same time. And then at 6 p.m. South African time, we have a crude oil inventory number coming out. So those are the two numbers coming out today. But looking at the markets, a few highlights today. Let's start with gold. Gold retracing over 50 points, as you can see here. This massive retracement here, as you can see. And we're trading at 1208 per ounce of gold. So, I mean, I should anticipate a further correction in this colossal move here. Just the question is how much further is it going to correct itself? So, you know, it's kind of hard to say where the bottom is, okay, especially in this situation. So we dipped below 1200 at 1196-ish level, but I would say, you know, the next possible support level is 1178. I don't anticipate that we'll do anything drastic today, but perhaps we will have some sort of moon today on the upside or the downside. So, you know, we're right here between these two variables, between 1246 and 1178. So it's a little bit harder to anticipate which direction this is going to go. But, you know, I do anticipate that there's going to be a further correction. That's my inkling. But if I was to, I would stay put until I have that confirmation. Looking at the Dow Jones, a whopping day yesterday, over 200 points. So, you know, over the past couple of days, we've gone over, you know, look at this colossal move. I mean, we've gone from February 11th here, just a week ago, until February 18th today, of almost 1,000 points. And that's, you know, that's really crazy. You know, so who's a little bit scary buying it here, honestly, as we had all this negative sentiment and, you know, things kind of look like it's the end of the world. But as you can see, things are getting into a little bit of a trading range for the Dow Jones. So we're at that top of the range right now. Let's see if we hold it. Okay. I kept on saying that I think we could still go up to 17,000. You know, if we hold this line and we break this upper limit of 16,700-ish level, then I think we can. But, you know, I think we'll be trading in a range for now. Right now we're almost at the top of the range. So it's something to look at. Looking at oil, big jump yesterday as well, going from $28 to $31 a barrel. Now it's the same story here. I mean, you know, we're at almost the top of the range here. It's kind of hard to say, are we going to continue going up? This is a higher low. If we look at it from this perspective, you know, this is a higher low than ours. So this is almost like a bull flag. You know, so again, it's hard to really say what to do right now. If you are long it, I would, you know, sell off a little bit. If you're short it, you know, definitely don't let it get out of hand because it could further go. So, you know, we're at the middle of the range. I want to see some sort of confirmation either on the upside or downside before jumping into it. You might want to put a feeler in there, a small little trade just to see how it's going. Euro USD really not trading much yesterday. As you can see, it's at 111 here on the bottom of this range of this trade. So, you know, the Dow Jones is at the top of the range, the oil is at the top of the range, and the euro is at the bottom of the range. So it kind of tells you how things are trading. Looking at the USD CAD retracing here to 136. Obviously, oil getting stronger. Those economies that are dependent on oil are going to get stronger. And case in point, this is the Canadian dollar, which is trading at 136. So lots of stuff happening. How much further is it going to go down? Let's just discuss that. Surely we could go down to 134.37. That would be my go-to support level at about right here. But, you know, it's really hard to say because, you know, we're literally looking at a monthly chart when we haven't been in this area since 2004. So, you know, it's a little bit hard to say where the retracement and where the support level is going to be. Looking at the GBP Japanese yen, also the same story here. We're actually breaching this support level, and this is what is interesting, is that The GBP Japanese yen has been trading relatively with the Dow Jones, and unfortunately here you see that it's breaking down and it's actually breaching this 163 level. So if we continue to breach it, we could definitely see our next target in 156 as the Japanese yen has gotten stronger versus many of the currencies across the board. This is Fred Razak at CM Trading. I want to wish everybody a great trading day. Thank you.